This is Onitsha New Market Road under reconstruction. So the reconstruction of this particular road commenced ending of last year, and since then we have visited this particular location for more than 2 or 3 times. And yesterday, being Monday, we visited back to go and see if there's any major upgrade apart from the previous asphalted area, because there are some sections that has been asphalted on this particular route, while others remain not asphalted. So we visited to go and see. So stick and watch as we go. This Onitsha New Market Road reconstruction commenced 8 to 9 months ago. So, and since then we have visited this particular location more than 3 times, and today we visited again, but we decided to go and show you the already asphalted area, because some section of it has been asphalted, but that is the only place that has been asphalted, nowhere else. The rest of it, some has received stone base, while some are just only sand filling. So where you are currently watching is direct link road to Sokoto Road. You know, Sokoto Road has a direct link to this particular New Market Road. So these are some other areas that has direct link to the Sokoto Road axis, and from here we're going to be reconnecting back to the New Market Road to show you how everything is currently looking like. So that is just it. So from here you can see where the asphalting currently ends. We show you this in our last visitation. So that is where the asphalting currently ends, and from here nothing much has done here except that it has received stone base, and some of them has not received at all, just sand filling. So, and another improvement we saw here when we visited this particular one is that some places that has not been sand filled has been sand filled, and some canals that was constructed, kind of that was constructed to channel the waters to other drainage system has also been covered somehow. So we also get there. So you see, so this is the current looks of the drainage system. You can see how it's looking, and you can see that all these places has received a stone base but not yet asphalted. And the only thing I can say concerning this work is that it's moving sluggishly, like this is not what I was expecting. Maybe I was expecting that by now the work would have been gone far more than days, or maybe close to completion, because by that before you get to after this market area axis heading towards other places, like heading front where we are going right now, the place was re-asphalted because there are some bad areas over there. So they re-asphalted, did another coating on top of already asphalted section of it. So after doing that, and this one also was currently going on them, but not all the section around that place was kind of re-asphalted. So I'm just hoping that after this particular reconstruction and everything, that the remaining area around that place will also be touched, or maybe they just want to leave it that way. So you can see over here that it has already received some filling. So they have done some filling over here, but they have not done stone base on this section. So all the places are receive some filling, waiting for their stone base, and from there they're gonna be asphalting the road. So I'm just waiting, and hopefully the next 1 to 2 months I believe the work will be completed. So that is just it. So I will allow you guys to watch through the video. It's not very long, it's just a 6 minutes 6 and 52 seconds video, so you can watch through the video to the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share the video, and give us your own take concerning the place. So thank you for watching. Continue with the video.